Hi there, this is garyryanblair, and today in this message, what I want to do is I want to share a story with you about how you become legendary. See, on May 6, 1954, the experts, they were proven wrong. Conventional wisdom was overruled, and the impossible was in fact made possible. This was the day that Roger Bannister enforced his will over a massive psychological barrier and became legendary as a result. And with a time of 3 minutes, 59.4 seconds, he became the first person to run a sub-4-minute mile. His victory changed the running game forever and sent a powerful message to those who indulge in limiting beliefs. See, doctors and scientists said that breaking the 4-minute mile was absolutely impossible. They believed that runners attempting to do so would die in the attempt. But Bannister, he was not buying what the experts were selling, and he decided to prove them all wrong. So here's where things really get interesting in this story. Until Bannister's record-setting and paradigm-busting performance, not one person broke the record because they told themselves that it was impossible. Then, just 46 days after Bannister's race, the Australian runner John Landy, he beat his time. And over the next 2 years, 37 other runners ran a mile in under 4 minutes. And since that time, more than 1,500 runners have conquered a barrier that had once been considered hopelessly out of reach. So did the human race suddenly evolve quickly into better, faster runners? Of course not. Their physical attributes didn't change at all. Their mindset did. It was always a psychological barrier, it was not a physical one. And once they believed they could do it, they did it. And in my opinion, Bannister's true legacy is one of mind over matter. See, he refused to accept the limitations that defined conventional wisdom of his time. You see, it wasn't just about competing against and outperforming his rivals, but it did become about transforming what we believe is possible. So let me wrap this up with a few thoughts. See, for most of my adult life, I pursued what I consider to be the organizing principles of lasting change. Long ago, I came to the understanding that there's a pivotal moment in all of our lives. Actually, there's a series of moments that we all must experience before we wake up, before we turn pro, grow a pair, and to take our destiny into our two very capable hands. You see, I believe Bannister's story is also your story. As what you do after reading or listening to this should inspire you to take action, to face your fears, and to prove to yourself that you are in fact capable of so much more. So what self-limiting beliefs do you need to bust through in order to create a breakthrough? And what belief, when overcome, will lead you to a life-altering transformation? See, Roger Bannister used the power of his will to do what others determined to be impossible, and he became legendary as a result. And that's why the very next thing I want you to do is to check out the 100-Day Challenge at 100daychallenge.com and learn how to turn your impossible goals into inevitable success.